Today we're going to be talking about seismograph. So in seismograph records how big the earthquake is and how small the earthquake is.
Seismographs also record the duration and intensity of an earthquake, along with recording the horizontal and vertical lines the earthquake makes. The instrument that measures the earthquakes is called a seismograph. A seismograph is a tool used by scientists and is a very sensitive tool. This tool is so useful because this can detect earthquakes even if humans cannot feel it. This is our homemade seismograph. There is a frame which is connected to the wire, and this wire holds the cup and the weight inside the cup. And a pen is at the bottom connecting with the cup, so any activity that is happening in the ground is recorded using the paper. In modern days, instead of using something like this, they use an electronic device such as a computer to record the ground movements. After an earthquake, all the measured lines on the paper is called a seismogram. This seismogram is later measured to the Richter scale, and depending on how powerful the earthquake was. And the Richter scale happens to have levels from 1 to 10. 1 is the lowest while 10 is the highest. Now, if you take the Richter scale, every time the levels go higher and higher, each level is being 10 times more powerful than the previous one. The most powerful ever recorded earthquake was in Chile, and it was recorded at 9.5 in the Richter scale out of 10. The second is in Alaska with 9.4, and then the third is in Indonesia with 9.1. Now we're going to be demonstrating the seismograph. So we have a sample seismograph over here with a pen, weight, cup, and everything. And I'm going to be pulling the paper back while Don shakes it a bit, left and right. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. It's somewhat recorded going left and right. This is how a seismograph records when an earthquake is happening, and the scientists use this to measure how powerful it is by using the Richter scale. So earthquakes actually happen most near the Ring of Fire, which is around the Pacific Plate. The Pacific Plate is basically a whole strip of water, and it's the largest ocean. However, in this ocean, all the land that surrounds it is being affected by nearly all of the most heaviest and most recent earthquakes and powerful earthquakes. And if you were wondering, Chile is also near the Ring of Fire, including Alaska.